Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am back again with a new tutorial. I really wanted to do a blue look, like a dark navy look, just because this was like my go-to colour when I used to go out back in the day when I was a young'un. And I used to go out all the time. I used to always use like navy blues and silvers, and I thought, oh my god, I've not used them in so long. So I thought I would do that and just do like a twist on what I used to do. And yeah, that is how I came up with this look. So yeah, this is like my blue silvery like night out look. Again, perfect for like events, but also for like festival season. You know, you can't go wrong with a little bit of glitter and some colour. So yeah, that is today's tutorial. If you'd like to know how I did this look, please keep on watching. And if you do enjoy today's video, please let me know down below. Give the video a like and please do subscribe so you don't miss any more of my videos. And without further ado, we will get straight into it. Hi everyone, so I've already primed my lids and done my eyebrows off camera, and the palette I'm going to use today is the Lick and Lash 35E palette. I know I kind of am using like the same palettes at the minute, but it's just because I think it's more important the makeup look than the palette, and like realistically people don't have like 1,000 palettes, so I can't afford to buy any new ones, so that's why I'm using like the same ones over and over. But hopefully the looks are like different, and anyone who's watching this like appreciates that, and because that's kind of the point, not the actual like variety in makeup, I think. But yeah, I just wanted to clarify that. But anyway, the first eyeshadow I'm going to take is this royal blue shade here, and I'm just going to start packing that through the crease onto the outer V and the inner corner part of my lid as well. I'm then going to go into the navy blue shade and just deepen up that colour a little bit more. I'm then going to go into this light blue shade, and I'm going to use this to blend that out. Then when that's blended, I'm going to take a mixture of the navy blue and the black shade, because I really want to darken this look up. I don't want it to be too like bright blue. I want it to be like night out style blue. So I'm going to just make it a little bit darker using them two shades. I'm then going to take the Olivia Bell Gel White Eyeliner and the NYX Eyeshadow Base in White. And I'm going to use those two to cut out the centre part. I'm just using both just because one's a little bit too runny and the other one's too solid. One's like stiff, like this one's quite stiff to work with because it's an eyeliner, but then this one is quite, not runny, but it likes to like slip and slide everywhere. So I like to use the both as like a white, as a white base, but obviously this is like totally extra and like you can just use a concealer, to be honest. But I just thought I would use that today, you know, change it up a bit. And I'm just going to cut out the centre part of my lid, so I'm not going to take it the full way, I'm just going to focus it on the centre. Okay, once that's cut, I'm going to go into this MAC pigment. This is in the shade Silver Fog, and I'm just going to pat that onto where we cut the crease. And then I'm going to go back into the navy and the black shades, and I'm just going to blend them into the centre. So we've still got that centre part, but that it's nice, ooh, and blended. And then I'm going to go into the Collection Glam Crystals Gel Eyeliner. This is in the shade Glitz number 1, and I'm just going to put this all over that silver shade. So we've got some glitter there without using like crazy loose glitter. This is like my favourite way to do glitter, because who can be bothered with glitter all down your clothes? And then I'm going to take the white in the palette and use this to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. And this just corrects any like blending issues, that's what I think anyway. That white kind of like blends into the blue and helps it all blend nicely. I'm then going to take the Collection Extreme Bold Felt Tip Eyeliner, and I'm just going to create just a line on the top just to cover a lash band. I'm not doing anything exciting. And then I'm just going to take the Olivia Bell lashes in the style Belle and just glue these onto my lids. Okay, so I may have cut out me putting them lashes on, but yeah, you know, not very exciting, just me gluing eyelashes on. But anyway, to the lower lash line. First off, I'm going to take the Olivia Bell White Gel Eyeliner and just run this on my waterline. And then I'm going to go back into them navy shades. I'm going to take the navy and the black first and just press it close to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to use the light blue that we went in with just to blend that out, just so it matches that top smokiness. And then finishing off with some mascara. And they are the eyes done. I'm going to go and do the rest of my face off camera, and then I'll be back to show you the finished look. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please let me know down below what you thought of it. Give the video a like and please do subscribe. Also click the bell icon as well if you do enjoy my videos, just because YouTube can be a bit funny when I upload and like losing subscribers and stuff. It gets really weird, and we all know that like YouTube can be a bit glitchy. So if you do enjoy the video, please remember to click the bell icon, because that just means that you will get told when I upload, and if you enjoy, you know, why not? But yeah, anyway, thank you once again for watching. I will see you all in a few days. Thank you so much. Bye.